Hear that? That's the sound of nature. That's peace. That's tranquility. Ah. Ah. La 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 la. Ready? All right. I'm Cathy from Cathy's Chuckle Club. It's Fabulous Fun Friday again. Thanks for tuning in. Here we are on location at one of our favorite spots, Scanlon Creek. If you're a regular watcher, you've been here before with us. Today, I'd like to share some of the history of Scanlon. In the 1970s, the government decided to to install a dam to stem the flow of the creek to create a man-made lake. It was a wonderful swimming hole. There was a snack bar, families would come, a great spot to spend the day in nature. Wonderful. Over the years, the water became stagnant, bacterial overgrowth, and the water became unsafe for swimming. In around 2012, the government decided to bypass the dam and installed some bioengineering techniques to restore Scanlon Creek to its former glory. And in just over a decade, it has been returned to this beautiful oasis you see here. Lots of goldenrod, which is often mistaken for the one that people are allergic to, ragweed. Goldenrod is beautiful. The pollinators love it, the butterflies, the bees, and nature has returned. It's so beautiful. Did you know that in 2011 there was an elite hockey training camp here, and Mr. Nesbitt and I had the opportunity to skate on the pond in the winter before it was no longer possible. It was a beautiful day, by the way. And so let's do an exercise, everybody. Join along. So let's be a beautiful butterfly. Spread your wings out and take a nice deep breath in. Let's look for a beautiful goldenrod to land on. Oh, here we go. Balunk. Oh, take a nice deep breath in. Uh-oh, watch out. It's laughter-infused pollen, so take a nice deep breath in. Then love it out. Let's be a bee. Oh, still pollen and laughter-infused pollen. Oh, what fun. So fun. I'm so happy that we had the opportunity here. I would like to end this episode with a quote from Emerson. Lose yourself in nature and find peace. That's another episode of Fun Fab Friday. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this little brief introduction into this beautiful space we call Scanlon Creek. I would invite you to go and enjoy your time in nature. Just look around, take time, be still, and leave your phone at home. Thanks for tuning in. Okay, bye for now. Woo! Wee! Hee hee hee.